Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a dip powder mani using full coverage tips, so let's get right into the video. I'll be using these tips today. I got it from Amazon. I've had these nail tips for the longest time. Before I knew about dip powders, I used to do my own press-on nails. So I used to do designs on the nails and stick it on my nails. Those were the days. But in January of 2018, my life changed when I discovered dip powders. Anyways, I'm just finding my sizes. The middle finger was the hardest to get because all of the nail tips were a little too big for my middle finger. The other nails were fine, it fit perfectly on the rest. If I wanted to, I could have filed the nail tip to fit my middle finger, but I don't know why I didn't do that. I think I wanted to do it when it was on my nail. I think that was a bad idea though. So a subscriber by the name of Cherael asked if I could do dip powders on full coverage tips. I was thinking about doing it for the longest but never committed to doing it. So if she didn't ask, I doubt I would have done it. So now that I've gotten all the sizes, I etch the inside of the nail tip to rough up the area where I would be applying my adhesive. This ensures that the nail would stick on my natural nail. So this is my clean and prepped natural nail, so I apply my Cherael bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I apply my Mother One's gel base coat to my nail tip and to my natural nails as well. I'm basically doing an A-press dupe. So I ensure that it fits on the nail well. Don't forget to push it in the cuticle area and make sure that it fits, and then I cured for 30 seconds. So I held down the nail in the lamp for 10 seconds and then removed my hand for the next 20 seconds. You can use glue, but I wanted to ensure that it would not come off as easily. Also, I made sure my opposite finger was pressing down on the nail in the lamp so that it could stick down. The nails aren't gel nails, so it wouldn't conform to my natural nails, so make sure and push it downwards and ensure you don't move the nail in the lamp. Next thing, your nail tip is lopsided when it comes out the lamp. As I've said before, the middle finger was the trouble finger of the whole bunch. So as you can see, the nails are curved and I really didn't like that, but that's all I had. Now I'm using my e-file, so I file around the cuticle area so that the tip would be flush with my cuticles so it doesn't look fake. Then I also filed the nail bed area because you need to rough up the nail bed so that the dip powders could adhere to it. Now I cut the nails to my desired length. I wanted a tapered square look, so I filed the sides, especially the middle finger needed a lot of filing. The other nails didn't need as much. I also filed the apex of the nail tip as well. Okay, so this is after I did all my filing and shaping. So I'm using Revel Nail Meraki and Mani Mix, Make It Glam today. So starting on the pinky nail, I apply a thin layer of base and then I dipped into the brown dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. Then moving on to the middle finger, I did the same. On the ring finger, I'm using the glitter dip powder and I did 3 layers of that. Sometimes laying your finger parallel into the dip powder works better than dipping, so I did both methods for this design. I did the same for my index nail as well. Now I encapsulated the glitter nails with 3 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer, and I decided last minute to build up the pinky and middle finger with the brown dip powder off camera. Now I apply activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. So I purchased these gold rhinestones on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. So this is what I'll be using today. It came with some chunky rhinestones. I don't know why I didn't show them. Then the tweezers and pencil to pick up the rhinestones, and also these mini rhinestones. I placed those in a container off camera. So I apply my Mother One's shiny gel top coat to my pinky and index nail. Then my matte top coat to my middle finger and cure it for 30 seconds. Now using my Mother One's gel glue and top coat on my ring finger, and I applied my rhinestones to the nail and cured. So I'm very sorry for the blurriness. Actually, the whole video is kind of iffy if you ask me. I did some nonsense to the camera settings and didn't realize until it was too late, so bear with me guys, I'll do better. So I place a thin line down the center of the middle finger with gel top coat, and then I poured the gold glitter dip powder and cured for 30 seconds. By the way, I saw this design on Amazon while I was looking for nail stuff, and I don't think I have a picture, but if I do get a picture I will include it in the video. Now using my gel glue, I placed it on my middle finger and then I placed a few rhinestones on the nail and cured. So I actually had to put another layer of top coat on the pinky nail again because I didn't know if you waited too long the chrome powder wouldn't stick to the top coat. So that's good to know. So I did a little ombre chrome thingy. Then I placed top coat and cured. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!